Okay, so we're going to create the helmet in two different phases. We're going to create the basic helmet, and then we're going to move on in another lesson where we'll actually create the horns for that helmet. And we're going to do that a little bit differently than we created the horns for the belt here. So let's get right into it. We could do this a couple of different ways, but we're just going to stick right with our box modeling techniques because we're starting out with the lowest possible polygon count, and then we're just building up from there based on our needs. So that's why we keep using this box modeling technique. So my length, I'm going to set that to 13. My width, I'm going to set to 6. And my height, I'm also going to set to 6. Okay. Now again, you can create any shape for the helmet that you would like. It doesn't really matter as long as you want to try to keep the polygon count low. Right, so let's convert this over to an editable poly, and let's start to shape this up. I'm going to hit Alt and X and get the basic shape of this helmet. Here we go. So let's go in and start adding in some segments. So I'm going to add some right across the center here. So let's use Connect, and I'm going to add 2 segments in there. Let's go to Vertex mode and come in here and just start to shape this up to the helmet. Okay. Now one thing that you'll notice here is that we have kind of a different shape here. We've got these eyes here, and there's a little bit of a split from the center here, so we're going to be able to see the character's mouth as well as the eyes in the background. So we want to make sure that we get that